Char, what's that noise? You don't know? It was Blazer snoring. It's Blazer. Hi, bees. Hi, bees knees. Want some treats?